What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage back with another video, man. Today, you read the title, got an unboxing from StockX, man. And it's some heat, man. I feel like this is some heat. It's my first model of this sneaker that I got. And I said from the beginning of I think last year that I wanted a pair of these sneakers, and I finally got them. I wanted to bring this unboxing to you guys to, you know what I'm saying, show you what I picked up and get y'all opinions on if y'all got them, if y'all like them, if y'all feel them, if y'all pass on them. Y'all gonna let me know all that in the comment section below, man. But before we get to the video, right now what I need y'all to do is subscribe if you have not subscribed to the channel already. When I grind to 20,000 subscribers, man, we're right around the corner. Y'all help your boy out, man. We right around the corner, man. Also follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World and ring notification bell for your boys so you never miss another video. So let's get into this unboxing. Let's get it. All right, here we go right here. I'm not gonna show y'all the side with all my information and stuff, but I did get this package from StockX. It's a very small box, man, compared to all the other sneakers I got from StockX or any sneaker spot in general. It's a very, very small box. And also, if y'all have not checked out my review and on feet over the Air Jordan 6 Infrareds 2019 edition, y'all go ahead and check that out. Look at that Nike on the back. Oh my God, it's so crazy. I was thinking about rocking these this weekend, but I didn't. I had to hold off for a little while. I gotta double up on these to beat one of these up, man, because this shoe right here is fire. I'm glad I got it. It's still on top of my infrared, or it's still on top of my Carmine 6s, but it's up there. So go ahead and check that out. Very fire. We're gonna talk about these a little later. Back to this box. We about to get right into it. Got no box cutter, no knife. So I got a box cutter right there. Let me grab it. Here we go. Slice that open. Slice that. Let's get into this last side real quick. And yeah, I already see the number on top of the box. And I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. So here you go. Bam! Adidas Yeezy 700. And this by far, to me, is the best colorway in the 700 model. So me saying that maybe gave y'all a hint on what these 700s is. So yeah, you know that brown box, you getting a pair of fresh Yeezys, dead stock from StockX. You already know how we go. You already know how we doing it, man. You already know how we doing it. So they package this one very, very tight. Nothing else inside the box from StockX. I've been spending a lot of money on StockX lately. I need to slow down a little bit, you feel me? So here you go. You got the 700 on top. Hit y'all with some B-roll, man. You already know we hit the B-roll in every video. You got the boost over here. Check it out. Yeezy Boost 700, made by Adidas. On the bottom of the box, I do not remember an Adidas logo right here. Let me check my other box. On my 300s, on my 350s, there's no Adidas logo on the bottom of the box. So I guess it's just for the 700s. Go ahead and check it out. Hey, I don't know. Y'all let me know if y'all got Adidas logo on the bottom of y'all 700 box. Yeah, let's get into it. Oh, we need to check the size label. My bad. Size tag, whatever you call it. Yeezy Boost 700, size 9. Fish colorway is, I don't even know how to say this color. It says MGSOGR, core white and core black. Y'all check it out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Adidas 700s. Yeezy 700s. Can't even talk, man. About to get into it. So first thing you get in StockX, you get the little receipt. You already know. And then you get this right here. Snap a picture and stuff like that. Get featured. Free shipping after every 5 purchases. So, yeah. I'm getting a free... I bought 5 sneakers, so I should get free shipping after this one. So, let's go, StockX. Give me another pickup. Like I said, I did cop a... Let's get into the shoe, man. I'm talking y'all head off. So here you got it. The Adidas 700 Wave Runner things, man. After I seen my boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, cop these, I was like, I gotta cop them. And I've been saying I wanted since the beginning of last year, and I just did not hit on that release, but here they go. Oh my God, this is the ultimate dad feel. You already know I'm Pops over here, man. I got a kid, and this goes suits well in my sneaker collection. They look way, way better in person than they do in pictures. But that's maybe hard to say with you watching it right now, but this sneaker is very fire in person. And they look dope in pictures, but they just look a little better to me in hand. They got the Ultra Boost in the bottom, and I'm feeling them, man. Coming with them lime green laces. These is dope, bro. These is dope, and I finally got a pair of 700s in my collection. It's crazy. Got that StockX tag right there. You already know it's official. Check it out. Authenticated by StockX. And there's a lot of colors in this sneaker. I didn't even realize it was a blue right here on the toe box. And then goes the green, got the orange. Actually got the lime green. And got the black outsole. Let me pull the other one out real quick for y'all. You peel it open. And you get another StockX sticker. I got so many StockX stickers, it's crazy. This shit been gave me free shipping. Hey, right now in the comments below, if y'all don't mind sharing with your boy, let me know how many or how much money you spent on StockX. I done spent at least 4 G's like in the last year. It's crazy. I just started buying on StockX last year. Cause I just realized what StockX was last year, and I'm kind of, you know what I'm saying, I'm sort of new to this nigga game, you feel me? But hey, I'm learning and I'm just spending money. It's crazy. But yeah, here you have it. Adidas Yeezy 700 Boost Wave Runner, man. Check it out. Check it out. Or the solid grays. Let me turn this brightness down so I can get that true color real quick. There you go. Blam, blam. Finally got them. So I was going to do a quick review and on feet, but it's dark outside right now, and I want to hit y'all with a dope on feet with a couple of jeans and a couple of joggers that I do have for these shoes, and I don't want to, you know what I'm saying, hit y'all with no half-ass bullshit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to hold off on like the on foot or the review, whatever I do. I'm going to dedicate a video just for this sneaker for viewers on YouTube. I know the shoe has released over a year ago, but I still want to throw my own feet on it, maybe throw a couple outfits and stuff like that. And y'all love my own feet, so that's why I always try to do on feet with every sneaker that I grab and that, you know what I'm saying, I bring to the channel. And I want to do the review right now. I might do it tonight and then do the on feet tomorrow and upload it for you guys. It's not gonna be a long review. It's gonna be a quick review. But it's gonna be a long on feet, just like I did for the Air Jordan 6 infrareds. Yeah, have not checked that out, make sure I go check it out. I'll leave a card right here, or you can go click on the channel and go find a video. It's my last 2 videos I post a review, and I did like a little small on feet, and I wasn't feeling. I dropped a full on feet video for you guys, like a 4-minute on feet with a couple of jeans, and it looks pretty nice. I'm not even gonna lie. So y'all go check that out. But the next video or the review, like I said, is gonna be over these right here, Wave Runners Yeezy 700s. And I don't know if you guys remember, but maybe around September, October, August time frame, I was telling everybody that I want to add more Yeezys to my collection. I felt like I was too monotone with the Jordans and the foam posits, so I mixed it up, started copying some more Yeezys. I did copy Yeezys when I first started on my channel, but then I kind of went away from it, started copying Jordans, started doing reviews over those. But now I'm going back into, I guess you could say, my hype beast mode or my hype beast setting, and I'm going back and I'm copying some of the Yeezys that I really liked and that I really wanted in my collection. And now all I need is a pair of 750s, and I need a pair of 500s. I even want to get the salts or the utility blacks. One of those colorways. The utility blacks is going for crazy numbers right now, which is shocking because the shoe right there, like that, is very different. And you won't think that shoe would shock the sneaker community how it did. Like, you can kind of, if you first look at the shoe, you don't know nothing about shoes, you don't know nothing about the culture, you're like, that shoe is trash. But the shoe has grown onto a lot of people. It started reselling for a lot of money, and everybody is loving it, you feel me? So as well as me, like I said, I'm feeling it too. I want to get a pair of those 500s in my collection. Like I said, I checked off the 700s on my list. I have another pair of Yeezys on the way. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is because I want y'all to hit the notification bell and stay tuned for the video. The package might be here tomorrow, might be here Wednesday, Thursday, whoever knows. Got another unboxing or unpackaging from a clothing brand that I want to show you guys. And yeah, man, we're gonna keep bringing these unboxings, we're gonna keep bringing these reviews. Even though this shoe is a year old, like I said, people will still might come back and check this one out. They might like my own feet. And like I said, my subscribers love my own feet. And a lot of people around YouTube love my own feet as well. And I might throw a how to lace Adidas Yeezy 700 Boost. How to lace, I don't know. Y'all let me know. Y'all love how to lace tutorials. My best tutorial for the lacing is the Air Jordan 11s. And I think that numbers is my most viewed video on YouTube. And it is dope, man. I really appreciate all the love and support for you guys. And yeah, I might hit y'all with a review. I might hit y'all with a how to lace tutorial, and definitely hit y'all with a review. I don't care how old it is. My channel, I can post what I want. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Like I said, I want to bring y'all all my pickups, all my clothing pickups and stuff like that, so I can bring more into the channel. And like I said, I wanted to grab a 700, and I finally got it, and I feel like it's fuego. So y'all let me know ranking between the statics, the Mauve 700s, and that new, like, I forget the name of the color. I'm gonna put a picture up right here of that 700. Y'all let me know where these rank. I feel like these are the best right now, tying with the statics. Stay tuned for that review and on feet. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get this video up to 100 likes. Follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. You might see a picture, post, or Instagram story with these sneakers on there, my most recent pickup. And yeah, man, I appreciate all the love and support. I'm gonna catch you guys in my next video, man. Peace.